This is a bit shocking and a weird news came up regarding the cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Before it was 200 megapixel camera update that we are going to see on the S23 Ultra, and now there is something new coming up on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per information disclosed by Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, it's suspected the Galaxy S23 Ultra entered Ministry of Industry, which clears the specification of S23 Ultra with the model number SMS9180. But as per previous rumors, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the following camera combinations: 200 megapixel main sensors, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 3x telephoto 12 megapixel and 12 megapixel 10x periscopic lens. But this new configuration is telling something different, where according to this report, S23 Ultra will come with 200 megapixel main shooter, then 108 megapixel lens. Not confirmed if it is ultra wide or not, then two 12 megapixel telephoto sensors. And a big downgrade that we are going to see on the S23 Ultra is its selfie shooter, where on S22 Ultra we get 40 megapixel selfie shooter, but on S23 Ultra we are going to see the 12 megapixel selfie shooter. And the main question is, where Samsung is going to use this 108 megapixel? And if this lens is ultra wide, then this is a way big update one can ever imagine, better than any other smartphone in the market. Although you can take this news with a pinch of salt. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Can we get 108 megapixel new sensor on the S23 Ultra? Not just new cameras, but more information on a list that you guys will love to hear. As per this new report, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 256 gigs of internal storage as a base model, which means we are not going to see any 128 gigs version on the S23 Ultra. And there are three storage options we are going to get on S23 Ultra: 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1TB version. Chances are there Samsung will launch 1TB version in selected markets, including South Korea and US. And we are still going to get the 8 gigs of RAM as a base model and 12 gigs of RAM at most. No option for 16 gigs. Although we will love to see 12 gigs of RAM as a base model and 16 gigs as an added option, but this will be compensated, as this report indicates Galaxy S23 Ultra is the first phone to come with high-frequency Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which will be overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 GHz on the base model Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Added information that is also confirmed: Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 6.8 inches, 3088 x 1440p resolution OLED panel. Just in case if you guys didn't know, S23 Ultra will going to come with the new display technology LTPO 3.0, which gives the peak brightness of 20 to 100 nits, the brightest display so far. Before it was iPhone 14 Pro Max at 2000 nits. Samsung planned to launch S23 Ultra in the earlier Feb in San Francisco, and phones will hit the market around 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real first look of S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.